Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up hard money financing with Lima One Capital, full guide step by step clearly. To set up hard money financing with Lima One Capital, start by visiting their official website. Create an account by providing your personal and business information. After registering, log in to your account. Familiarize yourself with the types of loans they offer. Choose the right loan that fits your investment needs. Prepare your investment property details, including address and estimated value. Gather your financial documents, such as tax returns and bank statements. Compile a project plan that outlines how you will use the funds. Submit a loan application through the online portal. Ensure all required documents are uploaded for review. Wait for the preliminary review of your application, which usually takes a few days. Upon approval, you will receive a loan proposal outlining terms and rates. Review the proposal carefully, noting any fees or conditions. If acceptable, sign the loan agreement electronically. Prepare for a property appraisal, as Lima One Capital may schedule one. Once the appraisal is complete, wait for final loan approval. Confirm the funding timeline with your lender's representative. Upon final approval, funds will be transferred to your account. Begin your project as planned, utilizing the funds responsibly. Stay in contact with your lender for updates and to address any concerns. Complete your project on time to ensure financial success. Make payments as outlined in the loan agreement to maintain good standing. Once the project is complete, evaluate your return on investment. Consider refinancing options if you wish to hold the property long term. Utilize your experience for future investment opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.